Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bree, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I got these amazing wash and go results with just two products. So the first product that I used is from my natural hair care brand, Kinks Hair Care, and I used our hair growth butter. This is the grapefruit and mint hair growth butter. It smells really good, so it's very lightweight, and this is the consistency of it, and it's very moisturizing to the hair. But first I'm going to add water, then the hair growth butter, and then I'm going to be using the Wetline Extreme Gel. This is the green labeled one. They have a blue one and then they have the green one. This is the green one. I'm going to be using this, and the wash and go came out so good. So I'm going to be showing you guys a tutorial, and I will leave the link in the description box to my website if you guys want to check out my hair care products. And I'm super excited, so stay tuned for the tutorial.
Is it okay if I'm to say I'm catching feelings from all the dealings? Am I astray? What do you say? How are you feeling? Is it the same? I hope you're not planning to waste my time. To my surprise, that was her reply. Now we vibe. It's been a while and such a ride, the stars align. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. We getting crazy in a different role. She loves the fact that I just let her know. We getting crazy in a different role. We getting crazy in a different role. She my do or die, my bona fide. My up when I'm down, she's always beside me. She makes me feel alive, I won't deny. Her love for me is real and kinda suicide-y. She's not the same, she's such a rare type. She's far from plain, at least in my eyes. She said if I cross her, I'll be in the grave or under her type, but yeah, that's still my babe. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together, it's a different mode. We getting crazy in a different role. I love the fact I didn't let her go. She loves the fact that I just let her know. Now we're together.
Okay guys, so I applied all of the products in my hair, and I'm really excited because my hair feels so super soft and very fluffy and very moisturized and super healthy. I'm so excited to see how this turns out. So this is what my hair looks like right now. I didn't really add a lot of gel. I added enough to add some definition and stuff like that. So as well as some hold. So I'm gonna just show you guys what it looks like from the back. And like I said, I've never tried gel with my hair growth butter before, and I just wanted to see how it would turn out. And yeah, so I will come back tomorrow when my hair is dry and let you guys know my final review and thoughts. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Okay guys, so these are my final results. So I'm going to show you guys up close. I'm going to do a 360. So I'm really happy with the results, and these products work really well together, and my hair feels very soft, very fluffy, very moisturized, and the gel helps to add more definition and hold. So I'm really excited, and I know that my hair will be able to withstand the summer heat because of the gel and the hold that it provides. And I'm just so in love with how clumped and defined my curls look. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, also comment and subscribe to help me get to 1K. Be sure to follow my business page on Instagram at Kinks Hair Care on Instagram and on TikTok, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.